For the final leg of our grand journey, we head south to the land of legendary light, Provence, and the French Riviera. Provence in summer is a sea of purple. Walking through these lavender fields, the air is thick with the scent of the Mediterranean sun. At the Senac Abbey, history and nature blend into one of the most iconic views in all of France. We follow the Ochre Trail in Roussillon, where the earth itself burns with shades of red, orange, and gold. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. The perched villages of the Luberon, like Gordes, look like something out of a storybook, carved directly from the rock. In Avignon, we stand before the Palais de Pape, the largest Gothic palace in Europe and a testament to medieval power. No walk through Provence is complete without visiting a local market, the vibrant heart of every town and village. Here, the flavors are as bold as the landscape, fresh, simple, and deeply connected to the land. As we reach the coast, the Calanques National Park reveals hidden inlets of impossibly blue water and stark white stone. Now the landscape shifts from the pastoral to the glamorous as we enter the world-famous French Riviera. Nice welcome us with its crescent bay and the iconic Promenade des Anglais, where the sea meets the city in a burst of light. Deep in the old town, the streets narrow and the colors deepen, reflecting centuries of Italian and French influence. High above the sea, the medieval village of Aix offers a perspective that has captivated travelers for generations. Walking the coastal paths of Cap Ferrat, you feel the true luxury of the Riviera, the silence, the scent of pine, and the endless blue. Saint-Tropez remains the star of the coast, a former fishing village that became a global icon of style. In Menton, the last town before Italy, the colors are at their brightest, a final explosion of light on our tour. We walk through the landscapes that inspired Van Gogh and Cézanne, where the trees and the wind still tell their stories. As the sun sets over the Mediterranean, the legendary light of the south casts a golden spell over everything it touches. The evenings here are for slow conversations and the simple joy of being in one of the most beautiful places on earth. From the grand boulevards of Paris to the quiet paths of Provence, we have walked through the very soul of France. This journey may end here, but the beauty of these walks will stay with us forever. Thank you for joining us. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. Au revoir. I'm Eric Carey, and we're on a mission to reach a huge milestone, 1,000 subscribers. Hitting 1,000 subscribers represents our continued commitment to improve the channel and provide the best for you. Help us reach our goal by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell. Your subscription also helps us know what type of content you want to see more of. It's a shared journey. The goal is in sight, and with your help, we can reach it together. Join our growing community today. I'm committed to bringing you more value and better quality as we grow this channel to new heights. Thank you for being part of this. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more updates.